All right, so this year we are being forced to use Google Classroom because everything else was taking too much. But anyways, so I'm going to model how to use Google Classroom as a student. So at Waco High, teachers are enrolled in our curriculum classes. And so you can kind of see this is my class. So these would be my classes I would see and I can click on them. If you come to your right-hand side and under where it says enrolled, you would see where your classes you're enrolled in. And what's I guess is useful here is it has a to-do list for you. If you click on that to-do list, it'll put all of the classwork you have for all of your Google Classrooms in one site. So you can switch it between classes. Like this is last year, so I have nothing. And then current. And then you can look at it for what's in the future, what's missing, if you have anything here. And then you can go to missing. And if I see anything missing, it'll also be here. So that's how to use a to-do list on Google Classroom. Okay. So I'm going to go back to all of my classes. Once you're there, once in your classrooms, you will see your stream. So here's my stream for my class. It has things that were posted. So some of the stuff that's posted are my assignments, quote unquote assignments I have to do. Now, when you respond under an assignment, that is not your submitting of it. That is you asking a question or making a comment for the teacher to answer or whatever, or the other students to answer. Okay. That is not where you're going to submit. In order to submit, you're going to click open. And then you're either going to submit the assignment, like attach it, and then press submit, and then now it's turned in. Or I'm going to go to my PLC agenda. So here, notice here, I have my PLC agenda that is due August 21st. And I'm going to turn it on paper. Because I'm turning it on paper, I'm just going to click mark as done. And I hit mark as done, and then it'll be submitted. Okay. If you would like, you can always add a comment just to the class, or you can add a comment to me, your teacher, and I'm going to write completed. I can type completed on paper, and that'll let the teacher know, hey, it's complete on paper, or anything of that nature. If there's general class comments that you don't care if you're Pearson, you could put it there. But that is how you sit. So this is for, especially if something is being turned in the box, so they can get off your to-do list. You just come over here and mark it done. All right. Sorry for the people talking in the background. I guess this is their version of being quiet.